Hello everyone, welcome to my language and linguistics class. And today I'm going to take you through the organs of speech. So by the end of the lesson, each and everyone here should be able to define the organs of speech and also to identify passive and active articulators. Okay, so let's break the heading into pieces. What do you mean by speech and what do you mean by organ? So, speech is the expression of thoughts and feelings by human through articulated sound, which come from our mouth and the noses. And what do you mean by an organ? An organ is a group of tissues. So, group of tissue forms an organ. So, what do you mean by an organ of speech? An organ of speech is a part of the human body which help us in terms of speech production. So, examples of the organs of speech are we have the teeth, we have the tongue, we have the alveolar ridge, we have the soft palate, we have the hard palate, we have the larynx, we have the pharynx, and etc. So, those organs of speech has been grouped into two. We have the active and we have the passive. So, the active one are those organs of speech which attach themselves to some organs so that they will able to produce a sound or a speech sound. Examples are we have the tongue. So we can see that anytime that you are talking or you are expressing an idea, you see that the tongue will be moving up and down. And also, we have the lower lip. That is the lower lip. You see, anytime that you are talking, you see that the lower lip will be going up and down, left and right. Okay, so let's look at the other aspect, that is the passive ones. So the passive ones are those which do not move. That means they are static, they do not move during speech production. Example, we have the alveolar ridge, we have the hard palate, and also we have the teeth. See, there's any time that you are talking, this teeth does not move. Okay, so now we know that the organs of speech has been grouped into two. That is, we have the active articulators, we have the passive articulators. And when you say articulator, what is articulator? Articulators are an organ of speech. That is, they enable articulation. And then the articulation is how we use our mouth to produce speech sound or sound. So the passive articulators are those organs which do not move, they are static. Then the active one are those which move or attach themselves to other organs, especially the passive ones, to produce speech sound. And take note that the active articulators are found in the lower jaw, and then the passive articulators are found in the upper jaw. So I hope that is clear. So if so, then let's consider this question. The active articulators are found in the A. Initiator jaw, B. The lower jaw, C. The upper jaw. So what is the answer? Yes, you are right. The lower jaw. So this brings us to the end of our lesson. I hope you have learned something today. So our next topic will be group of speech sound. The groups of speech sound. That will be our next topics. Bye bye.